Hey, Garrett Brill here. I'm out here at the Johnson County Fire Training Grounds. Firefighters over here trying to burn down the indestructible house, the one that never actually burns. But they're doing some training, and I decided to come out and fly the Quantix a little bit today. And I know there's a lot of people wondering, what it is, what's it used for, what is VTOL, all that. I'm gonna hope to answer a few of those questions today. So what it is this the right now it's the ultimate mapping solution for anytime you have a wide area disaster like tornadoes, flooding, hurricanes, all that kind of stuff. The reason I call it ultimate is because it's still affordable. There's some good stuff out there, but it's just crazy expensive. This one is actually affordable to public safety agencies, and it's fantastic. What VTOL stands for is vertical takeoff and landing. So what it'll do, you can see it's shaped like a airplane, but it's sitting on its tail. So it'll take off kind of like a SpaceX, and it'll climb up to an altitude, and then it'll transition over to its wings because it's a lot more efficient and faster. And then it'll go and it'll map out this area, which is the whole training grounds. It'll map out this whole area from here all the way to there, out by the street, in just a very short amount of time. I'm up on the tower in case you can't tell. So anyway, I want to go ahead and put this thing up, and let's see here if I can get in there. All right, and hopefully you'll be able to get to see what I'm talking about on this. There it goes, it's taking off. It's like a rocket. You'll see now it's rotating to get its orientation correctly, and then it's going to transition over onto the wings to fly on the wings more efficiently. And there we go, and it's gone, and it's fast. All right, try to catch a few flybys and then the landing as well. All right, so the Quantix is coming in for a landing now. See if I can catch this whole landing process. So what it's going to do is it's going to pitch those wings up into the direction of travel and use them as air brakes. And there it goes. And now it transitions into a multi-copter mode. And it'll reposition itself over the GPS location where it took off from. And descend automatically. All right, another brilliant landing by the AV Quantix.